This is it, day one of the Great Himalaya Trail. I've been planning this for a long time and it's finally here. Yesterday, well, the day before yesterday, I got a bus from Kathmandu to Taplejung here in Nepal. Took 28 hours on the bus. I thought it was never going to end, but here we are in Taplejung, and I'm just hiking up to the airport now where the trail starts, and we'll be making our way towards Kanchenjunga Base Camp, which is the official start of the Great Himalaya Trail. That's going to take about 8 days of hiking to get to the start of the trek, and then about 115 days of hiking to get to the end, which is all the way over in the west of Nepal. So here we go. Day one is finished, and we've found ourselves a beautiful little tea house, which is basic but all we need. I've managed to have a shower, cold shower under a tap, which was refreshing, and there's some dal bad cooking for us on the stove right now. We've already dipped into the medical kit. This guy came in with a huge, great big deep gash in his leg, and we've sort of patched it up and put some antiseptic ointment on it, and he's going to the hospital to get some stitches now. So that was good to be able to help out there, but my legs are pretty tired and so are my feet, so it's going to be a good night's rest, I think.